Hi everyone, my name is Eddie. Welcome to my channel On1 Photoraw Creative Photography. And today an exciting news because we have a new Photoraw 2023. You will see with my channel some tutorials on the soft On1 Photoraw 2023 in the future. But now I have to announce you that we have a new version of this software. I will give you the access to my blog just there on the YouTube channel. You can click just here and you will find the article on the new software, of course. You have some key features on the On1 Photoraw 2023. You have a super select AI tool. You will find it on the blog. You have some masking who will change the software too. You have a Dark Sharp AI for sharpening photos. And you have a keywords AI too. You will see all these things about the On1 Photoraw 2023 just in the article of the blog. And you can pre-order this software. It will be available in October, of course. So you will find all the information of this software on my blog, and when I will have a beta version of this software, I will do a demonstration on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.